In this video tutorial, we're going to be discussing about the area of a circle formula and using that formula to solve an example. Here you have a picture of a circle, and the area formula is pi times radius squared. You can also write it out as pi times radius times radius. When you're solving the area of circles, what you're basically trying to find out is the space within your circle. Let's take a look at our first example. We know that the radius of this circle is 3.2 centimeters. The first value of pi we're going to use is 3.14. Follow the area formula, pi times radius squared. Substitute your values, grab a calculator, and make sure you round to the nearest tenth. So that would be 32.2 centimeters squared. The next value of pi we'll be using is the fraction 22 sevenths. Replace your values, grab a calculator, make sure you round to the nearest tenth. Also 32.2 centimeters squared. Last but not least, we're going to leave our answer in terms of pi. Replace your value for the radius, grab your calculator, and your area will be 10.24 pi centimeters squared.